Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add plant food to your AeroGarden. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an AeroGarden. And when you need plant food added, what's actually going to happen is that this is going to start to blink red, okay? The button that says add plant food. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But here I have some AeroGarden liquid plant food, and then I'll link to this down below in the description. But if you read each container of AeroGarden liquid plant food, it's going to give you the serving suggestions depending on how many pods you have. So a 2 to 3 pod will be 4 milliliters, 6 to 7 pod will be 8 milliliters, a 9 pod will be 12, and then a 12 pod will be 24 milliliters every 2 weeks. Now the pods are basically referencing how many pods are here or how many holes are here. So you can see that I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 6-pod AeroGarden, but the thing is that not all 6 pods are filled. So I'm only using 2 of the pods. So what I'll do is that I'll actually adjust the serving size just because I'm only using 2 of the pods. So I'll actually only give around 4 milliliters of plant food. And then the way to do it is that I have here a measuring cup. So I'll go ahead and pour the AeroGarden liquid plant food into here. So I'll basically just measure out the recommended milliliter amount, and there you have it, just a little. So then with the measured amount, I'm actually going to open up this part right over here and then pour the plant food in. Okay, so afterwards close it up and then press the add plant food button, and that is basically how to add plant food to your AeroGarden. Okay, so I'll make sure to keep the measuring cup, and then like I mentioned, I'll leave a link to this down below in the description if you do need more plant food. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.